Which of the following pairs will give displacement reactions? Sodium chloride solution and copper metal. तो फर्स्ट है सोडियम क्लोराइड प्लस कॉपर मेटल. सेकेंड MgCl2 solution and aluminium metal. So MgCl2 plus aluminium. And third है FeSO4 solution and silver metal. And fourth है AgNO3 solution and copper metal. AgNO3 plus copper metal. तो सोडियम इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर, तो ये वाली रिएक्शन नहीं होगी. कॉपर विल नॉट बी एबल टू डिस्प्लेस सोडियम फ्रॉम सोडियम क्लोराइड. मैग्नीशियम इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन एल्यूमिनियम, so aluminium will also not displace magnesium from magnesium chloride. Again, iron is more reactive than silver, so silver will not displace iron from its salt. Here AgNO3 and copper. In this case, copper is more reactive than silver. तो क्या होगा? Copper will displace silver from AgNO3 and the product formed will be copper nitrate CuNO3 whole twice plus silver metal will be formed. So correct option is option D. Next, which of the following methods is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? Now point to be noted, this is iron frying pan, means it is used for cooking food. So applying grease, this method will not be applicable. Applying paint, no. And applying coating of zinc, correct. The suitable method to prevent rusting of an iron frying pan will be applying a coating of zinc. An element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be. Now the oxide which is formed has high melting point, means it is ionic in nature. It is ionic compound and mostly metals form ionic compound. So it can be a calcium or iron. Most probably it is calcium or iron. But second point, it is given that the oxide is also soluble in water. Now oxide of iron is not soluble in water, but oxide of calcium is soluble in water. So element is likely to be calcium.